Okay, we're walking out of the guest room. You can see here, there's the doorway for underneath the staircase. There's a plug in here, right there. You can see as we walk into the foyer here, we fixed the steps, so there's 3 treads with the arch step, first tread. The steps just increase the steepness a little bit to eliminate that 4th step. Here what we're looking at is the detail that it shows on the print to transition the taller floor of the reading room to the rest of the floor on the 2nd floor. There's a panel detail that's shown on the print to go above this door of the powder room. Over here we'll walk in the powder room. There is putting the freestanding vanity here. You can see that drain pipe there for it. And these are the sconces that are going to go on the wall. You see that? And then here's the mirror. It's going to be on the wall. And these sconces are laid out according to the mirror. I'm going to center the mirror over the vanity. The sconces will be on the side of the mirror. See a heat register in here. Toilet. Again, hot and cold water lines. And there again is a fan light combination. So you can turn the fan on and the light. And we'll continue to walk through. This is the dining room, or the family room. You can see here's your staircase. We have 2 4-inch cans here for a future piano area. And then we have 3 recess cans, 3 4-inch recess cans over here to light a seating area here. And then we have a chandelier that is going to be set center to the window, over the bay window. And here's your view from this room to your hearth room. Go upstairs. Here's a look from the walk directly into the master bedroom. You can see your ceiling is framed in here. There's your fan. Here's the vents in the walls by the windows. You can see we have to fur this whole wall out where the windows are. To achieve our value, we need to put behind the ductwork. This blue insulation is required by code, the 2009 energy code, to have insulation anywhere we have an outside heat duct in the wall. And the only way we can do that is to have either a 2x6 wall or fur out a 2x4 wall. Here's the look at the ceiling with back to the window. And there's the master bathroom. You can see we put nail plates on all of the plumbing and gas pipe and electrical, anything that has potential to hit it with a screw. So if you think about it, the drywall is going to go on top of this, and the drywallers don't know what's behind here after the board is hung. So these metal plates are a thick gauge metal that will not allow a screw to penetrate it into this pipe. So what we don't want to happen is a screw to accidentally go through and nick one of these pipes, and we find out later that a drain is hit or a water line is hit, and a potential leak, because sometimes it takes a while for you to find it. So you can see again, there's the red fire caulk. Okay, here's the here's one of the closets. So we left this open for our trim carpenter to build drawers. There's a heat vent in here. We have the other closet. Same idea. Left this open so we can fit drawers in the back. the light, heat duct. We'll go into the bathroom. Kind of see the ceiling detail here. It's a cathedral. And this is a special box for the chandelier that's made for cathedral ceiling. Here's where the tub is going to sit. You can see the drain is perfectly centered. And we have these two openings on either side of the tub. That is for open shelves. We have the toilet room here with a clip door because of the ceiling. One vanity is going to sit here. Again, you can see the water lines and the drain. And the sconces are on the wall. And here's what the lights are going to look like. And here's what the mirror is going to look like. And again, these lights are positioned according to the center of the sink, center of the mirror, and taking the measurements of the mirror, we're able to get the exact location of those lights. Here's the toilet room, the cold water line, your heat duct. Again, here's a fan light combo. Here's your master shower. Again, we clip the door to the master shower to mimic the door over here to the toilet room. And again, we had to do that because we need to achieve our at least 25.5 inches for our vanity to sit here. So this is where our other vanity is going to go. Your hot and cold water line with the drain, sconces on the wall, and we have two diverters. One diverter is for your shower head right above. And the other diverter right here is for a rain head that's going to be in place of where that recessed can is. We're going to shift this recessed can over towards the shower head a little bit more. So we obviously still have the light in the shower, but we want to center the rain head on the shower. Here's the shower pan, again with water in it, holding water. Go back out here now. I'm going to take a left and go to the reading room. You can see here's the reading room. We have your recessed cans pitched in the ceiling. This is another wall that we had to fur out, as you can see here, because of the ductwork. Here is the metal roof. Actually, they did this on Saturday. They still have to do the barrel section of it, but the metal standing seam part is finished. It's an aged bronze color. Here's it's going to be a handrail. And looking down, and then handrail here across. We'll go directly across to the laundry room. Again, you can see the spot where all the home runs are. So this is another spot we do not want to hang a picture or put anything with a chance to obviously hit one of those wires. And as again, you can see this nail plate here. This is that Freon line that runs up, goes over, and ties back into the furnace that's going to be sitting here. You can actually see the here. It's the mechanical room. We'll get there in a second. So here's so again, the laundry room. We have a 30-inch cabinet that's going to sit here. We have a 30-inch sink cabinet that's going to sit here with the water lines and drain line. We have the washer with the washer box, and we have the dryer with the vent and the gas pipe. And light right there, and a vent in the back. So here's the mechanical room. You can see we shower pad the mechanical room. This will have tile, and we'll put the furnace in after we tile and drywall this. Here's the vents, the plenums for the furnace. There's the high efficiency venting that needs to be installed for the high efficiency furnace. Here's the gas line and water line. The water lines for the humidifier and the gas lines for the furnace. We have a drain you can see there. And these wires actually that are coiled up right here are for the thermostat. I'll show that the location to you in a minute. Here's Sophia's bedroom. We walk in, and you can see two 4-inch recessed cans above where there's going to be a window seat and a light in the center of the room. Walk-in closet. Got a vent in the closet, light in the closet, and here's the attic access. And then there's the smoke detector. The smoke detector by code needs to go in every single bedroom and outside all of hallways. The way you can tell that this is a smoke detector is by looking at the red wire. In a normal outlet or phone, or I'm sorry, a light, you will not have the red wire, as you can see here. It's just the black, white, and ground. Continue down the hallway. We have a linen closet here. This is right on the back side is where the thermostat's going to go for the upstairs furnace. Now we're looking at the Jack and Jill bath. We have two vanities in here. One is here and one is here. And again, you can see the drain line with the air gauge hooked up to it. We have the hot and cold water line and the drain line. And here is the mirror that we based our light location off of. There's our sconces. Our sconces are positioned accordingly. And then this is exactly the same. We have a pocket door is going to be installed here. This big opening. We have to frame the pocket door in twice the size of the actual door, so it allows it to go inside the wall. Here's where the toilet's going to sit. So you can see a water line here, vent behind it. And we have the shower, tub shower. Here's the diverter. Here's the head. Here's the shower seat. We're going to shower pan this, and we're going to put a two 2x4s like this, obviously cut to length, but it's going to create a kind of almost a bucket seat type look, and that'll allow us to have the water so it doesn't spill off the edge. It'll contain the water on the shower seat, and we'll pitch the shower seat so it flows down into the shower, so we're not worried about water getting on the floor. Okay, we'll continue on into Dominic's bedroom. Big walk-in closet. See, all the ductwork is in, all the wires are in, all the plumbing's done. So currently we have our plumbing inspection, our gas pipe inspection, our HVAC inspection. Electricians are getting their inspection this week, and then we will be drywalling next week. Here's a look at the walk-in closet for Dominic's room. Here's overlooking the hearth room. Again, here's a better look at your lights. Walk into the bonus room. Step. So you can see here we frame the door higher. There's the small door. For a fort, we got a light in here, heat, same light on the wall, heat. Then we have a fan, center of this room. We have a light, another light exiting the room, and here's another light towards the window. So that's it for today. Hopefully this uploads, and we will be insulating hopefully towards the end of the week, beginning of next, and drywalling next week. I'll have some more updated videos when we start insulating the house.